Hey there, tech-savvy friends. If you're staring at your Spectrum modem blinking blue and white and wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. This issue is more common than you might think, especially with the latest updates in 2025, and it often signals a connection problem, a firmware update, or even a simple glitch. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through some straightforward fixes that could get your internet back up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First off, understand what those lights mean. A blinking blue light usually indicates that your modem is trying to connect to the network, while white might suggest it's in pairing mode or dealing with an error. It could be as minor as a loose cable or something more like a service outage. Step 1. Start with the basics. Unplug all cables from your modem, give them a quick inspection for any damage, and make sure everything is securely plugged back in. This simple check resolves issues about 50% of the time. Trust me, it's worth the 2 minutes. Next, perform a restart. Power off your modem, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches and allow any pending updates to complete. If you're using a router too, restart that as well for a full refresh. If that doesn't work, check for outages in your area. Head over to the Spectrum website or app and look for any reported issues. Sometimes, it's not you, it's them. While you're at it, ensure your modem's firmware is up to date by logging into your Spectrum account. If you're still seeing those pesky lights, try a factory reset. Locate the reset button on your modem, hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds, and let it reboot. Warning. This will erase any custom settings, so only do this as a last resort. Finally, if nothing seems to fix it, reach out to Spectrum support. They can run diagnostics remotely or even send a technician if needed. Remember, staying calm and methodical is key. Tech problems like this are fixable with a bit of patience. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be back online in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.